Okay. Get ready for some super busy phone lines because these are going to fly out. We have something that just debuted just like, I don't know, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, yes.
Already super popular. This is the first day, though, however, at a sale price. This is our Black Friday sale price on Terra's set of 4 mini oven mitts with boxes.
Love.
6 payments of under $5. They are $4.66. I think that might be our cheapest easy pay.
It's amazing.
Under $7 for each set, and free shipping saves you $5.50. Okay, so we have basics.
Yes, that's here.
We have seasonals,
which we'll walk you through in a sec.
and then we also have brights, which are down
exactly.
here.
So these are our mini mitts, but I just want to tell you we made them even better. So one of the things we hear from you a lot, could we make them a little larger? So this is what we've been offering as far as our mini mitts.
Nice.
So this is now a supersized version of that. Just wanted to show you the difference there. You can really see.
Tara,
Aren't they nice?
These. Yeah.
Great, nice size. So thank you for the suggestion. So I love the fact, again, that our mini mitts are usually only available within a set. We very rarely just offer them on their own as an item, but you're always asking for them. So we love that we debuted this one time last year. You loved them. We brought them back bigger, and we added, again, some of the seasonal colors to them. So what I love about them, silicone on the front and the back. You have that great opening, so you can just slide your hand right in. No right hand, no left hand, doesn't matter. And because you have silicone on the front and the back, these double as a trivet, but then they're also easy for you to get in and out of the oven, and we'll show you a million different ways that you can use these.
So you get 4 sets, 4 gifts.
Yes.
Each one's about $7 when you break it down, and they have a box.
Yes.
With a to and from tag. So let's give you a close look at each set.
Yeah, so here's your, what we're calling our basics. That's gonna have your true red, your green, your black, and your blue. And notice the floral lace and the old world are combined, so you don't have to pick your pattern, just pick your color.
Now on these,
So stinking
these, they're called,
Seasonal.
seasonals. We need to come in a little closer so everybody can see the design.
Thank you, appreciate that.
So on this one, you have your fireworks.
Yes, and the coordinated box next to it.
This one is your sweethearts for Valentine's.
That's your romance.
Romance.
There's, so cute, right? Shamrock.
For St. Patty's Day or all of our Irish friends, and then Easter eggs.
And then your eggs. And that pattern is on there with silicone, so it creates that non-slip grip.
Okay, and then
we have your
boxes,
brights.
And then your brights over here. So
fun.
spice.
Your tangerine. Or pastel-y.
Okay.
Your lime green.
Love.
Your teal. And your hot pink. So those who collect spring fetty,
And
those who love our spring colors, those coordinate back.
Okay, so seriously,
These are
great
amazing.
item. And
Okay.
this is something in a new size that you don't already have, or your gift recipient does not.
Right.
And anyone who loves Temptations will definitely love these. And even if somebody doesn't have Temptations yet, this is just something practical that they'll use because they have the silicone gripper. They are not, some mitts are just so big, you can't feel what you're doing.
And I have smaller hands. And so I do find that problem. But here's what I love. I love the fact this could be a boiling tea kettle. This was a boiling water of pasta that I'm able to slide my hand under.
Yeah.
And there's virtually no heat transfer. I was able to take that enamel on steel, strain my pasta right into the sink. Because you have that silicone, again, it creates an easier way for you to pop the tops on some of your things. So if you have dexterity issues, I love that. You're not going to find that silicone grabber where you can open jars. Everything is done for you just with these great mitts, and they slide right in and they double as a trivet as well.
What was that big number you just gave me in my earpiece?
Oh boy.
How many of these are? 3,300 already ordered this month, and these have only been available for a couple weeks.
That's right.
So can you get that, honey?
Yeah, well, I want to show you while I'm here, actually.
Right.
Here's what I love about these pieces. I can reach in here and I can actually pull this rack right out.
Yeah.
And by the way, this is bubbling. You'll see in just a moment. I'm holding this with no heat transfer. But I love the fact that if I bump into the racks while I'm reaching in, my hand is protected.
Right.
I then can come to the table. I can use this piece as a trivet if I want to. So now I don't have to get anything else out.
Yep.
And when I was telling you
that's
this
hot.
was bubbling and boiling, this is a beautiful blueberry cobbler up off my table that I took out with my mitts that I now used with one hand to go ahead and put that back on.
Fantastic.
I love these.
Again, you're getting set of 4.
Yes.
So you're getting 4
8 mitts.
separate gifts, or keep a couple for your own kitchen. Have a couple of gifts. They each have a matching gift box. When you break down the price, it's $7 per gift. So it's an excellent price today. You're also getting 6 easy payments of well under $5, $4.66, and free shipping and handling. But the price on this will go up at the end of the day, and the easy pay will go away at the end of the day. Over 1,000 ordered in this show. Here's the brights. Can we go back, Mr. Jib, with the other direction? Here's the brights. Here is the seasonal set. You have Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's, and patriotic holidays here. And then this one is your basic. So these are some of the most popular Temptations colors.
They are, exactly. With the mixed pattern, all in the silicone, with that terry cloth fiber lining on the inside that we know so many of you love. So we took something that you've already been enjoying, we made it larger, and again, we incorporated some of the great colors and classics that you have of the mixed pattern there. Awesome. Here's what I love, reaching into your microwave. I love the fact that, you know, small jobs, right, where maybe you don't want to get a huge oven mitt out and you just want to be able to put it right on top. You use that as your separate trivet. Now you're good to go with their tomato soup that you heated up. Behind you, the Oster ovens, one of my absolute favorite pieces I have. I love, again, that I can reach in. I don't have something big and bulky, like you were saying, like a glove. And I'm able to get in there, not worry if I bump into the sides, you're completely protected. And a lot of the reason that you are protected is that we've made them larger. So you can use that as the trivet for on top there. I watch Melissa do that all the time, where she's loading in different pizzas and she just needs to put something else on top.
I love this size. And, you know, this is the original. That's the original size, which was a little too small for some of you. You asked for it to be a little bit bigger. So look how much bigger it is now. Still a mini, but better for most of your hands. And again, all new colors and sets. This is a new item this season. Price on this goes up at the end of the day, and the easy pay goes away as well. So you get the whole set of 4 gifts for $466 on your credit card. Free shipping. So how many are now ordered? 5,000 now for the month. Wow. And in this show, 1,700. All right. And look how cute and gifty boxy. Looky. These are cute little Temptations gifts, and you can give this as a, I mean, it's a $7 gift, so that little under $10 gift exchange.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh,
and it's something so practical and useful. You could pair it with a gift card. You
or
could, of course, put it with a cookbook. Yep, our holiday cookbook is available.
You have those tea towels. You have all kinds of stuff.
And it's not a choice of. You're getting all 4 colors. You can keep one, gift 3, whatever you want to do. But we did it, of course, in our basics.
Which is blue, black, green, and red.
Yep.
Then this is the
so
seasonal,
cute, you guys.
Easter pink. St. Patrick Shamrocks green, here's the Valentine red, and then the blue fireworks boxes. And then here comes the brights, where you get the tangerine, that lime green, turquoise, like robin's egg blue, and that bright watermelon pink.
I love the boxes that coordinate too, instead of just doing a generic box.
I know.
They're just so fun.
Nice. How many? Sorry? 5,500
thank you, everybody.
Ordered. Very popular. We're swamped, so if you can use QVC.com or your QVC app to place your order, you'll get through much quicker. Thank you, Tara. Another awesome item, and we'll see you throughout the day.
I'll be back in David's show.
All right. Don't forget Landy's Candies with